Starting it off right. We're here live. Thank you for tuning back to the channel. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe here at the lovely Lake Fork, Texas. Dock 30. Got my boy DR live on camera.
There he is.
Yep. There he is. So third episode on the channel here at Lake Fork, Texas today. And we're going to try to land some big bass. So if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave some comments below on how we can get better. And remember, somewhere before or after 5 o'clock, it's Dock 30. Is this the rig?
Yep.
Is this the rig?
Yep.
Is this the new rig?
Yep.
My boy Lee Livesay right here, guys.
Sure.
One of the best to ever do it. Yeah. Check out that rig. We're going to show you how it's done. Dock 30. Stay tuned. That chunk, guys. Woo! Man, I don't think it gets better than that on the unders. What do you think, Lee? Look at that fat daddy, guys. Dock 30. VG.
Drop that thing in there.
There he is. Catch him up. Bring him in the frame. Right over there. Bring him in the frame. It's a nice little chunk. There he is, guys. He's hooked up, guys. Be nice one right there. Right.
Hey, look at that. Yeah, this is
That was awesome right there. Big catch right there, wow. Guys, real quick update. Just graphing a little bit and seeing what we can't do here live on Lake Fork, Texas, and bringing you some more adventures. Trying to bring some bigger bass on camera, but today the name of the game is unders because we're pre-fishing for the Sealy Outdoors Big Bass Splash that's going to take place in about a week or two. So we're out here getting back into the swing of things. Compliments of Lee Livesay here at Lake Fork, and I have to say it's been a pretty successful journey so far, and it's barely only 9:24 in the morning. So stay tuned. Hoping to get a little bit more on footage and maybe get some bigger ones, but you never know. The name of the game today is unders with a little splash of overs, but mainly the unders get you paid. Lake Fork is a slot lake. Anything between 16 to 24 inches, I believe, has to get thrown back. Is it 24 inches, Lee?
24 inches.
It's 24 inches. So anything between 16 and 24 has to get tossed back. Anything under 16 or over 24 is going to get you some money in that upcoming tournament. So stay tuned. Doc 30. This one?
I'll throw a spinner. Yeah, I'll throw it. No, it's
You got it?
Oh, man. I thought it was huge.
There he is. Slammed it too, didn't he?
Chomped it.
Check out that guy.
That's a donk under right there.
That is.
We won all day long.
That's what we want all day, guys.
Yeah, that's a big one. Hit a big old.
Big unders, big unders. Cash money. Sealy Outdoors. There he is. Once again, it's going to be a nice under.
It's got a little bit heavier. Yeah.
Those are money fish all day, guys.
You're right about that.
I guarantee you we have a fat box right now.
Yeah, y'all done had to make 2 or 3 trips.
Yep.
Well, that's a fatty. And she is mega fat.
Let's see if she is.
Oh, she is. She looks big because she's so fat.
That's going to be a nice under, guys.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Oh yeah. Give me that scale.
Yeah, gotta see that scale.
Still had room to grow too. That's what's crazy. 211.
It's him right there, man. Lee Livesay. No, man. How long you been at Fork?
About 5 years. Full
5 years. This guy stays booked, man. I mean, he really just, he knows what he's doing out here. Very knowledgeable. How long you been on the lake, though?
Oh gosh, for 20-something years now.
Wow. Definitely shows. Definitely shows. If you want to book a trip with him, guys, leave his info in the description. Spots do fill up very fast. Usually booked out a couple months, aren't you?
Most of the time, in the springtime, multiple months in advance.
What's it like in the springtime out here?
Well, it's amazing.
Yeah?
But it's good in the fall too. This
Okay.
is late summer and it's good. We're gonna catch over 60 today, I guarantee you.
Okay, so over 60. I mean, we're definitely on the right track. Already hitting the 30 mark, haven't we?
Yeah,
We've
close.
already smashed
Probably high 20s, close to 30.
high 20s, high 30s.
9:28.
9:28 in the morning. You guys heard it here. Stay tuned. Doc 30. This is exactly what we're going after today. Today we are practicing for the Sealy Outdoors Big Bass Splash coming up in about 2 weeks. We're going to be practicing 3 more times, and right now we're with Lee Livesay getting back in the swing of things here at Lake Fork, and he's been putting us on a nice little strategy to get with these unders, and we're going to see what continues off. So if you like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments below. Hey, share this video on your favorite social networks. Tell your friends about this channel. What I like to do here on Doc 30 is we give top tackle reviews, some how-to tutorials, in-depth tutorials on how to use your gadgets like a low Rance HDS 12, HDS 9, whatever you're using. even some rigs, some drop shots, some Carolina rigging, maybe even some jigs, maybe even some top waters. We're going to cover basically how to catch bass on this channel, and we're going to try to bring you some big bass fishing adventures. So subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, and remember, somewhere before or after 5 o'clock, it's Dock 30. You a good one?
I don't know. It's been a while since I caught good fish, so.
Oh, that was a Tron under, yeah.
All right, guys, just a quick update. We headed to an undisclosed area to try some topwater frogging. It didn't really work out. We did manage to get 3 blowups over there, so it's definitely a good spot to explore during the tournament options or during our practice days. But we're going to actually head back out deep, continue to go after these unders, because the name of the game when it's all said and done is it's going to be an under and over game. And I mean, based off of earlier today, we're still in the upper 20s, lower 30s in how many unders we've caught. And Lee, would you definitely say that some of those would have cashed us some checks?
Oh yeah, a lot of them were over 2 pounds.
Yeah.
Easy money here. We
Yeah,
got some
so-
slot fish too, but everything was pretty close.
And what do you think about that spot we just came from? You think that even though we got three blowups there, it's a pretty productive spot? Or
Oh yeah, there's a lot of fish. I've been catching 6, 7, 8, 9 every time I go in there frogging.
okay.
Just weren't eating it today.
All right, so we're gonna try back there on a couple practice days and give it all we got. But we're gonna finish the day out here and really just, you know, see what Lake Fork has to offer with the rest of this under strategy, headed a little bit more offshore, finding key spots. You know, it's when you're fishing offshore, it's about the brush piles. It's about certain structures in the deep. You're not just fishing open water, because even though you think this is just open water, there's things happening below. It could be a slough, it could be a hump, it could be a hill, it could be a tire. Anything that's relating to what those fish, anything that's allowing those fish to relate to that structure is what you're going to be pinpointing while you're offshoring. And the only way you can do that is by graphing, and the only way you can do that is by doing your homework on the lake. So stay tuned. We're gonna see if we can continue these adventures. Dock 30, my name's VG. I'm with Lee Livesay, David R. We'll see what we can't bring you. Stay tuned.
Right under, huh? Another money fish?
That's money all day.
Money all day. There he is, guys. Dock 30. Free fishing. Sealy Outdoors. The Bass Flash.
This one up on a long time.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed episode number 3 today, live on Lake Fork, Texas. My name is VG. today the goal was to target unders in hopes that we can put a strategy together for the Sealy Outdoors Big Bass Splash, and I think we accomplished our goal today. Our man Lee Livesay, who is a guide here at Lake Fork, Texas, his details will be in the description below. He put us on some good spots, some good tips, and some great techniques in order to score some unders for the upcoming tournament. And I'd say we boated, what, about higher 20s, lower 30s today, Lee? So, I mean, we definitely have what it takes to get mid-30s for sure. We definitely have, I think, the pieces of the puzzle so that we can go out on our practice days and put something together in hopes that when tournament day comes, we will have a solid plan. Remember, guys, if you like what you see, be sure to click that subscribe button. Leave some comments below on how we can make these videos better. And remember, somewhere before or after 5 o'clock, it's Duck 30.